Hello, everyone. It's Travis the Trader coming back to you live on July the 26th, 2024. This is part 3 of my account activity for this past week. And let's move on. Google, G-O-O-G-L without the L. Naked put, this was an earnings trade that I had put on. This was, if you look at my prior video, I go through the specifics of it. This is a bullish strategy. Stock has just been getting hammered since its earnings release. And again, we'll just continue rolling if we have to. Hopefully we'll be able to take this off relatively soon. INTC Intel, which is a covered call at 31. The call is slightly in the money. Stock has earnings next week. Of course, we will be monitoring this trade as well. IWM, which is the famous Russell 2000 ETF. This thing has just been all over the place. I have a 210 to 235 strangle. Look at the number of times I've rolled this. 21 times, 21 rolls. I have recentered this. I've moved it into the next month. An amazing story. I should write probably some sort of a blog on it. But I need this thing to trade within a range. And so far it has, but I do need it to come down a little bit. Something I just wanted to point out, even though the stock was up today, $3.64, and I need the stock to drop. As you can see here, it's a negative 1145. The VX, the volatility futures, were down today, so that's what saved me on this position. But let's move right along. JD is a naked put, which has earnings roughly 3 weeks. This is a Chinese ADR. I have not been able to buy an uptick on this. I just keep rolling it, and hopefully I'll be able to make the profit that I seek on this. JP Morgan, it's a strangle, 195, 250 strangle. Scheduled to expire in 56 days. They had earnings. I do have quite a bit of time, but again, the sooner I can take risk off, the better it is for everybody. Again, I need the stock to trade within this range over the next 2-3 weeks. LUV, which had earnings this week also. This is a covered call, 27.5 covered call, expires in 56 days. It's a bullish strategy. I need the stock to move upwards in order to start seeing some gains in this. LVS, Las Vegas Sands. This also had earnings. This has just been a very, very tough trade for me. I need this thing also to move up. This is a naked put, and we'll look to hopefully see more up days if it ever does happen. It did have earnings this week, as I mentioned, and the stock really didn't really move at all. So that is I am done for part 3. Please stay tuned for part 4 of 4. That will be my last video. And if you found value, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.